We must respect the trees. When we cut the wood, we must plant again. It's where we get the medicine to help people. When people are suffering, we go to the bush to collect the herbs so that they must live. As an artist, I want to teach the young people about the traditional culture, because today, traditional culture is dying. If you don't have respect, the community, they will not love you. They will take you as a madman. If you have respect, everybody will love you. From the morning until night. If I can't work, I feel like I'm sick. We don't have food, we don't have money, but I'm still working.